Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to do a tutorial. This here is the tutorial I'm doing today is the pre-twisted passion twist crochet here. It's 18 inches, and it's pre-looped. I got the color T27. This is the hair. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to braid my hair cornrows going to the back. You see how I have it parted? So this I'm going to braid and I'm going to crochet. And the front part that I have out, I'm going to unravel these and do individuals. So right now I'm going to braid my hair, and then I'll come back once I'm like halfway done, and then I'll do like a little tutorial for you guys to see how to put in the back, so how to put in the crochet. And then the front I'll do a few on how I did the individuals. Okay, I'll be back. Okay guys, so as you can see, I braided the back. I did about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cornrows, and I used a crochet needle to tuck my braids underneath. Okay guys, so I finished the back. Well, I didn't finish it, but I finished most of it. I'm going to show you guys how I crocheted the back area. Okay guys, so I'm preparing the hair. So as you can see, I have my crochet needle, and I'm going to put the needle underneath the braid. Okay, and I'm going to put the pre-looped crochet here onto the needle. I'm going to close the needle, and then I'm going to pull the hair underneath the braid. I'm going to grab the hair, double tie it, and pull. It's pretty hard to see when it's in the back of my head, but yeah. So I'm going to, if you see this missing that area where I didn't do the crochet, I'm going to touch that up now. I can't see it, I'm just feeling for it, so bear with me. Okay, remember, put the hair through the loop twice and then pull it. I'm going to do that again. Put the needle underneath the braid, touch the hair, pull it underneath, do it twice, and pull. Okay guys, so I'm done with the back crochet. Now I'm going to just twist my hair just to kind of stretch it. I'm going to twist it and corn roll it at the ends. I put it in three big twists. And then I'm going to move to the front of my hair, and I'll be back to show you guys how I did the front.
Bound only by frozen memories. It's fine. Racing all these broken dreams.
Hello guys, so I'm back and I just left one twist out. So what I did was I crocheted the back, and then the front I did individuals with the hair. So I'm going to show you how I did that. So this is the hair, okay? And I'm going to unravel it. Don't mind my nails. While I was doing my hair, then my nail polish just started coming off, so it looked weird. So I'm going to do the tutorial right now. Okay, so the hair is unraveled. This is the hair. I'm going to use jam and undo this. Alright, so this is the hair. I'm just going to put like this much jam in it. And then I'm going to add the jam as I go. I'm going to split it in two. It's like the, it's like the invisible twist method. I have other videos with this, showing this tutorial. So I'm going to, the right side I'm going to twist towards the left. Left side I'm going to twist towards the left as well. And then I'm going to take the left side and put it over the right. And then I'm going
Bound only by frozen